Ever stood up from your chair and felt your legs wobble a little? Or maybe the stairs feel like they've added a few extra steps lately? Don't worry, it's not just age catching up. What you're feeling could be muscle loss, quietly sneaking in over the years. In fact, research shows we lose about 3 to 8% of our muscle every decade after age 30. And by 60, if we're not staying active, we could lose up to a third. That's why climbing the stairs can suddenly feel like a workout. But here's the good news. You can absolutely fight back, starting with what's on your plate. Today, I'm sharing 9 delicious, powerful foods to help you rebuild strength, support balance, and stay steady on your feet. Counting down from number 9 to number 1. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 1. It's creamy, satisfying, and helps your muscles in a way no supplement can. Tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I absolutely love how this community shows up. Subscribe, tap the bell, and let's get stronger together. One bite, one step, one smile at a time. And hey, if your knees are louder than your microwave these days, yeah, you're really going to love this first one. Let's kick things off with something strong, eggs. If lately you felt like climbing the stairs takes more effort, or your legs feel shaky when you stand up, your muscles might be telling you something. Hey, we're running low on what we need to stay strong. And here's the surprising part. One of the best foods to rebuild your muscles isn't something fancy or expensive. It's something you probably already have in your fridge. Each whole egg gives you about 7 grams of complete protein. That means it contains all the essential amino acids your muscles need to grow and recover. To keep muscles thriving, aim for zero point 0.5 to zero point 0.7 grams of protein per pound of body weight daily, about 75 to 105 grams for a 150-pound person. Eggs are a delicious start. One of the most important is something called leucine. Think of leucine like a spark plug. It signals your muscles. Time to repair and rebuild. Now let's talk about the yolk. That golden center is packed with vitamin D, which helps strengthen your bones and improve balance, and vitamin B12, which supports your nerves, energy, and helps prevent cramps or that numb, tingling feeling in your legs. Eggs offer about 40 IU of vitamin D per yolk, but you may need sunlight or a supplement to hit the 800 to 1000 IU daily goal recommended for older adults. And here's the thing. Many older adults are low on B12 and don't even know it until their legs start giving them a hard time. And I know what some of you might be thinking, but what about cholesterol? Great question. If you've spent years watching your numbers, I totally understand. The good news is, newer studies show that cholesterol from foods like eggs doesn't raise your blood cholesterol nearly as much as we used to think. That said, if you're concerned, always check in with your doctor. Here's what I love most. A dozen eggs still costs under $3 in most grocery stores. And if you hard boil them, they'll keep in the fridge for a week. Easy on the wallet and perfect for 1 or 2 person households. A simple serving idea: try 1 egg a day or 2 every other day as part of your protein plan. So tomorrow morning, why not give it a try? Scramble 1 egg with a handful of spinach, top it with a few slices of avocado, and boom, you've got protein for your muscles, fiber for digestion, healthy fats for your heart, and flavor that hits the spot. All in one pan. Eggs may be small, but they pack a mighty punch. And if you're thinking, well, that's already pretty great, just wait until we get to food number 8. I promise it's a surprise you won't want to miss. No supplements, no complications, just 1 egg. You can start tomorrow. Next up, fatty fish. And trust me, this one's a game changer. We often think of fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel as brain food. And sure, they're great for the brain, but what many folks don't realize is they're also muscle medicine, especially as we get older. Here's why. These oily fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. Now, I know that sounds like alphabet soup, but these two nutrients work together to calm inflammation, support your joints, and, most importantly, help your body build and maintain lean muscle. In fact, one study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who took about 3.36 grams of omega-3s per day for 6 months gained over 2 pounds of lean muscle, and results are even better when paired with enough protein and light activity like walking. Omega-3s act like a booster, amplifying your body's ability to use protein for muscle repair. And no, you don't have to eat fish every day. Just 2 to 3 servings per week is plenty. A 6-ounce piece of wild salmon gives you around 2 grams of omega-3s, right in the sweet spot. Canned salmon or sardines are just as nutrient-packed and often cost under $3 a can. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, just be sure to talk with your doctor before increasing your omega-3 intake. Safety first, always. If you're already enjoying fish a couple times a week, great. And if not yet, it's easier than you might think. Grilled, baked, or even from canned wild sardines or mackerel, there are affordable, simple ways to work this in. Here's a favorite from one of my clients. Wrap salmon in foil with lemon slices, a touch of olive oil, and fresh dill. Bake it until it flakes apart. It's delicious, low effort, and doesn't leave the house smelling like a fish market. Fatty fish helps your muscles, joints, heart, and brain. It's like giving your body a full-service tune-up. And if you're thinking, that's hard to top, just wait till number 7. This next one is humble, hearty, and hiding in your pantry. Now let's give a round of applause to 2 pantry MVPs that don't always get the attention they deserve. Lentils and beans. These humble staples are plant-based powerhouses. A single cup of cooked lentils can deliver up to 18 grams of protein, plus iron, magnesium, and complex carbs that digest slowly, giving you lasting energy without the crash. That's exactly what aging muscles need. Steady fuel, not roller coaster sugar spikes. Most beans and lentils aren't complete proteins. They tend to be low in one essential amino acid, methionine. The easy fix? Pair them with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa to round out the amino acid profile your muscles need. Beyond protein, beans are rich in fiber, which supports digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps manage cholesterol. For anyone dealing with fatigue or energy dips throughout the day, this slow-digesting fiber is gold. Worried about bloating? Start with a quarter cup a few times a week and work up to avoid tummy troubles. Choose low-sodium canned beans to keep blood pressure in check, and rinse them well. Split lentils cook faster and tend to be gentler on the stomach. One of my go-to meal ideas, a warm lentil stew with carrots, onions, brown rice, and a dash of cumin. Cheap, cozy, and muscle-friendly. Beans may not have the flash of salmon or the buzz of avocados, but they're doing the backstage work, keeping you moving, steady, and satisfied. Now let's talk about one of the simplest foods that fuels you for hours, oats. Oats are what I like to call slow burn strength. Unlike sugary cereals that give you a quick spike and crash, oats digest slowly, giving you steady energy, better focus, and most importantly, consistent fuel to keep you active and support muscle recovery. That's especially helpful if you're someone who gets tired mid-morning or feels wiped out by lunchtime. They're packed with beta-glucan, a special type of fiber that helps lower bad cholesterol, support gut health, and stabilize blood sugar. When your blood sugar stays even, your body has the energy to stay active, so you can keep moving and feeling strong. Oats also contain B vitamins, which help your body turn food into energy and keep your muscles working smoothly. They're gentle on digestion. Great news if you're tired of foods that feel heavy or leave you bloated. Want to build a better bowl? Here's what I tell my clients. Combine instant oats, softer and quicker to cook, perfect if chewing is tough, with Greek yogurt, ground flaxseed, and some berries. That's protein, fiber, healthy fat, and antioxidants, all in one spoon. Warm, comforting, and surprisingly filling. Some people think oats are just for breakfast, but they make a great light dinner too. Add cinnamon, nuts, or even a drizzle of almond butter if you're feeling fancy. With many years of working with older adults, oats have been a go-to because they're easy to prep, easy to chew, and easy to love. And hey, they're budget-friendly too. Every spoonful builds endurance and might just help you dance your way through the grocery aisle. And if you're still here with us, thank you. That already means you care about your health. If this video has helped you in any way so far, just drop a number 1 in the comments below. That's our little way of knowing you're still with us and that we're walking this journey together. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button and the little bell icon. That way, you won't miss the next simple habit or small tip that could help you feel stronger, steadier, and more free day by day. Let's keep this grain train going with brown rice. Brown rice may not look exciting on the plate, but don't underestimate it. This humble whole grain delivers exactly what aging muscles need: clean, slow-burning energy to help you stay active and recover after movement. Unlike white rice, which gets stripped of its nutrients, brown rice keeps the bran and germ layers. That's where the magnesium, B vitamins, fiber, and a small dose of plant protein, about 5 grams per cup, live. Magnesium helps with muscle contraction, energy production, and supports better sleep, an underrated key to muscle recovery. Now, yes, some folks find brown rice a little tough to chew or digest. Here's a tip that's helped a lot of my older clients. Soak it overnight before cooking. It softens the grains, makes it easier to digest, and cuts down cooking time too. Or cook it with extra water for a softer texture if chewing is a challenge. Brown rice also makes a perfect partner for beans, lentils, or tempeh, boosting the amino acid profile to support lean muscle when paired with these protein-rich foods. It's also affordable and easy to store. Two big wins when you're cooking for one or two. One of my go-to lunch combos: brown rice, black beans, roasted veggies, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's warm, filling, and fuels your body for activity without weighing you down. Brown rice may not win a beauty contest, but your muscles don't care about presentation, they care about power. Now here's one of my favorite tiny but mighty secrets: pumpkin seeds. They may be small, but pumpkin seeds deliver a surprisingly powerful combo of nutrients that older adults really need, especially if you're staying active and working on strength. These little green gems are packed with magnesium, which plays a big role in muscle contraction, relaxation, and recovery. If you've ever had a leg cramp that shows up out of nowhere, low magnesium could be one piece of the puzzle. They're also rich in zinc, which keeps your immune system strong, so your body can focus on building muscle and staying resilient against seasonal bugs. What I love most? They're easy to use and easy to enjoy. Just 1 ounce a day, about a small handful, is all it takes. Store them in the fridge to keep them fresh longer. You can sprinkle them over oatmeal, stir them into yogurt, toss them in a salad, or just keep a jar handy for snacking. Want something a little more fun? Try mixing pumpkin seeds with a few dried cranberries and a square of dark chocolate. That combo hits the sweet spot, literally and nutritionally. In my experience working with older clients, this is one of the easiest upgrades. No cooking, no prep, no excuses. Just a handful a day that gives back in strength. Pumpkin seeds might not say much, but they've got your back, your balance, and your biceps. Let's move on to something tiny, golden, and wildly underrated: flax seeds. Flax seeds might be small, but they bring a whole lot to the table. These little seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3s, ALA fiber, and lignans, a type of plant compound that's especially helpful for hormonal balance. That's a big deal, particularly for women after menopause, when the natural drop in estrogen can quietly lead to muscle loss and slower recovery. Flax also supports healthy blood flow, which means better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Unlike the omega-3s in fish, ALA is less potent for inflammation, but still boosts circulation and energy. Translation: faster recovery, better energy, and less of that sore for 3 days feeling after a walk or gardening session. Now here's the trick. Whole flax seeds can pass right through your system undigested. So for full benefit, always use ground flaxseed, not whole. Keep ground flax in the fridge. It stays fresh for months. You only need 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, and it's easy. Just sprinkle into your oatmeal, smoothies, or even mix it into applesauce or yogurt. One small caution: flax may mildly thin the blood. If you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, check with your doctor before adding it in regularly. I've had clients who say, "I don't taste it at all, but I feel the difference in my energy." That's the beauty of flax: low effort, high impact. They may be the quiet type, but flax seeds have a lot to say when it comes to strength, stamina, and healthy aging. Now let's talk about two protein powerhouses that are gentle on your joints and surprisingly good for your muscles: tofu and tempeh. Both are made from soybeans, which happen to be one of the very few plant-based sources of complete protein. That means they contain all 9 essential amino acids, just like meat, but without the cholesterol or saturated fat. For older adults looking to protect heart health while building strength, that's a big win. What sets tempeh apart is that it's fermented, making it easier to digest and rich in nutrients and gut-friendly compounds that support digestion and may help with inflammation. Great news for recovery and immune function. Tofu is softer, more versatile, and a perfect blank canvas for flavors like garlic, ginger, or a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Soy also provides isoflavones, compounds that may help reduce age-related inflammation, support bone health, and even balance hormonal changes in postmenopausal women. Worried about soy? Studies show it's safe for most people, including those concerned about breast or thyroid health. But check with your doctor if you have specific conditions. How to enjoy it? Try tempeh sliced and baked until golden, crispy outside, nutty inside. Or stir-fry tofu with spinach, mushrooms, and sesame oil. For a creamy boost, blend silken tofu into a smoothie with berries and a banana. If you're new to soy, start with a few servings a week and build from there. Just be sure to choose non-GMO or organic when possible for best quality. One thing I hear often is, isn't that just for vegetarians? Not at all. In Okinawa, Japan, home to some of the world's longest living people, soy is a staple. And they're not lifting weights. They're just staying strong and mobile with age. Tofu might not flex at the gym, but it sure helps you do it, with fewer joint aches and more balance in your step. And if you're thinking, that's already pretty impressive, wait until we reach number 1. It's creamy, delicious, and helps muscles do something no pill can. And here we are, number 1 on the list. Let's talk about avocados. Avocados don't just do their own job well, they help other foods do theirs even better. That's because they're rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind that helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Why does that matter? Because those vitamins support muscle repair, bone health, and hormone production, keeping your energy and strength balanced. They also provide potassium for healthy muscle contraction and a good dose of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps fight age-related inflammation. It's like a double win, better nutrient absorption and less stiffness in the joints. Here's the good news. You don't need to eat a whole avocado to get the benefits. Just a quarter to half, a few times a week, is enough. Pick avocados that yield slightly to pressure. They're ready to eat. Add it to your eggs, mash it on toast, blend it into a smoothie, or slice it over a salad. It's creamy, filling, and plays well with just about anything. A favorite combo among my clients? Scrambled eggs, whole grain toast, and a few slices of avocado on top. It's simple, satisfying, and muscle-friendly all in one bite. Avocados may not lift weights, but they do help you rise off the couch a little easier, and maybe with fewer sound effects. And there you have it. 9 powerful, practical, and downright tasty foods that can help you rebuild muscle, boost balance, and feel strong from the inside out. No, this isn't about lifting heavy weights or running marathons. It's about being able to get up off the couch with confidence, carry your grandkids, tend your garden, or open that stubborn jar without calling for backup. So here's my gentle challenge for you. Pick just one food from today's list and try it this week. Try 1 egg tomorrow or sprinkle pumpkin seeds on your salad. Small steps lead to big wins. Then come back here and tell me, how did it make you feel? Did you notice more energy, less stiffness, or maybe a little extra pep in your step? Always check with your doctor before making big dietary changes, especially if you're on medications. Drop a comment below. I read everyone, and your story might just inspire someone else watching. Tap like if something here made you smile or think. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on that bell so you never miss a simple tip that could change your health and your life. Thank you for being here, for investing in your well-being, and for reminding us all that getting older doesn't mean slowing down. It means getting smarter. You're not just aging, you're leveling up. Let's keep going together.